In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to a single Instagram post. So I'm going to load up Instagram on my phone, and we're going to hit the plus symbol at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post. In this video, I'm going to show you want to load up your YouTube Music app. Tap on the select multiple button, which is this button right here that just turned blue, and you can basically select up to 10 photos or videos for your post. So say for example I wanted with this mood and so on, then I would hit next, and that would basically show me the photos that I was going to upload to a single Instagram post. Now, I will show you what this actually looks like just so you can get an idea. You can, at this point, you can edit your photos. So after selecting the photos, you can apply filters and basically edit each photo individually by tapping on them and then adjusting the filter and edit settings for each photo individually. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit the next button. And in here, you can obviously add a caption and tags. So I'm just going to put this is a test, and I am going to hit the share button. So I'll give this a few seconds to upload as one of my posts on my Instagram. And when that is done, I'm going to go into my Instagram profile, and you can see this is a single post, but I can now swipe through all of the pictures. So that's basically how to add multiple photos to a single Instagram post.